Welcome to Best Choice. The best Longchamp Le Pliage is probably one of the most iconic and versatile handbags in the fashion world, celebrated for its timeless design, exceptional durability, and effortless chic that seamlessly transitions from everyday errands to sophisticated evenings out, making it a coveted accessory for fashion-conscious individuals seeking both style and practicality in their daily lives. Number 5. OMYSTYLE Purse Organizer Insert. Are you struggling to find your essentials in a cluttered handbag? Introducing a simple solution to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. This felt organizer insert is designed to bring order to your tote bags and purses. It's the perfect companion for your everyday carry. Designed to fit a variety of popular handbag styles, including Longchamp, Never Full, and Speedy. It provides a snug and secure fit. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight felt, it adds structure to your bag without adding bulk. It's built to last and protect your items. With multiple compartments, it helps you categorize and store everything from your wallet and phone to your makeup and keys. Say goodbye to digging. Transform your handbag into a perfectly organized space. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that comes with a tidy bag. What we like. This organizer comes with 5 different sizes to fit a variety of bags. Its felt material keeps its shape and protects your belongings. If you have multiple tote bags or often switch between them, this is a great option for keeping everything tidy. What people say. It added very little weight to my really overpacked purse. This organizer is by far the best. It's not loose fabric and instead has some rigidity to the outside and middle walls. Many pockets and the added zippered pocket really make it so you can put everything where you want instead of just having all your stuff in a lump pile in a bag. The felt material has a nice structure to it. It's sturdy enough to hold its shape and keep compartments from collapsing, but still soft enough that it doesn't feel stiff or bulky inside the bag. The compartments are well thought out. There's a good mix of larger sections and smaller pockets for items that usually get lost, keys, lip balm, etc. I also like that it makes switching bags way easier. Instead of moving everything piece by piece, I can just lift the organizer out and drop it into another bag. Number 4. ZTUJO Purse Organizer Insert. Are you tired of digging through a cluttered handbag? Introducing our purse organizer insert, designed to bring order to your everyday carry. This felt organizer features multiple compartments to keep your essentials neatly arranged. No more lost keys or misplaced wallets. Crafted from high-quality felt, it provides structure to your bag while protecting its interior. The metal zipper ensures secure closure. Specifically designed to fit popular tote styles like the Speedy and Never Full, it maintains the shape of your handbag. It's the perfect shaper for your favorite tote. With 7 different sizes available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for any handbag. Get yours today and experience the difference organization makes. What we like. With a convenient metal zipper, this organizer keeps your items secure and prevents them from falling out. It also offers 7 sizes, ensuring a snug fit for many popular bag models. If you prioritize security and a perfect fit for your larger totes, this is the one to consider. What people say. The felt surface makes this fit nicely in the purse. The pockets are plentiful, making a spot for everything. Unlike other inserts I've had in the past, this one does not fall in on itself. The sides are rigid enough that everything stays upright. Very functional, easy to use and great value. It fits great in my big leather tote and keeps things organized and easy to access while on the go. I really like the little lanyard for your keys. The amount of pockets is amazing. There's a place for everything: phone, keys, lip gloss, wallet, sunglasses, and I no longer have to dig around trying to find what I need. Everything stays neat, visible, and easy to grab. One of my favorite features is the detachable pockets. I love that I can remove certain sections if I don't need the extra space, or use them separately when I want something smaller and more compact. That flexibility makes it perfect for switching between different bags. Number 3. BAGSMART Women's Tote Bag. Introducing the BAGSMART Tote Bag, designed for the modern woman. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality for your daily needs. Keep your belongings secure and organized with its convenient zipper closure. This bag ensures everything stays in place, whether you're at work or on the go. Discover the ease of multiple compartments designed to keep your essentials neatly arranged. Finding what you need has never been simpler. This versatile tote is ideal for your professional life and your travel adventures. It effortlessly carries your work essentials or travel necessities. As a comfortable shoulder handbag, it's perfect for nurses and anyone needing a reliable carry-all. It's designed for all-day comfort and accessibility. Transition smoothly from your workday to your gym session with this adaptable bag. It's spacious enough for your workout gear and stylish enough for any setting. What we like. This tote bag features a secure zippered main compartment and several internal pockets for excellent organization. It's designed to be durable for everyday use, making it ideal for professionals like nurses or for busy individuals. If you need a reliable bag that keeps your essentials separate and accessible, this is a practical choice. What people say. The bag is very light and folds up small, making it easy to store when not in use. It's surprisingly spacious and can hold a lot, including a laptop, making it a great everyday bag. The leather handles are comfortable to hold, and the overall construction feels durable and well-made. Number 2. BAGSMART Lightweight Puffy Tote Bag. Meet your new favorite everyday companion. This stylish tote is designed for your busy life, offering both fashion and function. Crafted to be incredibly lightweight, it won't weigh you down. Despite its airy feel, it boasts ample space with smart compartments to keep you organized. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or embarking on a weekend getaway, this bag is perfect. Its versatile design adapts to all your needs. The elegant quilted pattern adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. It's a statement piece that's as practical as it is beautiful. Never dig for your essentials again. Thoughtfully designed compartments ensure everything has its place, making your day smoother. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's the ideal choice for travel. Keep your belongings secure and accessible wherever you go. What we like. Experience comfort with its lightweight and puffy design, perfect for all-day carrying. The stylish quilted exterior adds a touch of fashion. If you're looking for a comfortable, chic, and spacious bag for travel, work, or the gym, this option offers both style and practicality. What people say. It's incredibly lightweight but still feels durable and well-made, which makes it perfect for carrying everything I need without feeling bulky. One of my favorite features is all the compartments. It makes staying organized so much easier. I can keep my essentials, water bottle, and smaller items separated instead of digging through one big pocket. It has 4 compartments inside, including one for a laptop, and another big compartment outside with a zipper. Number 1. Jiesinlov Leather Bag Shoulder Strap Replacement. Tired of uncomfortable bag straps? Discover a stylish and practical solution to enhance your favorite handbag. Easily adjust the length for the perfect crossbody or shoulder fit. Enjoy personalized comfort throughout your day. Crafted from high-quality leather, this strap adds a touch of luxury and durability to your accessory. Transform your mini pouch or small bag into a versatile crossbody. It's the perfect conversion kit for everyday use. Simply attach it to your existing bag for an instant upgrade. No tools or complicated steps needed. Experience the quality and craftsmanship Jiesinlov is known for. Elevate your style with this essential accessory. What we like. Upgrade your small pouch or bag with this genuine leather shoulder strap. It's adjustable for a comfortable crossbody fit. If you have a mini pouch or a small bag that you'd like to wear hands-free, this conversion kit offers a stylish and functional solution. What people say. The strap stays in place and it's good quality. The color is 100% accurate and close to the leather part of the bag. All the hardware part is of good quality too. It's a little hard to fix it to your bag as the material is really tough, but once you get it on, it looks amazing and complements the bag perfectly. The color match is unreal and is a worth buy. Perfect fit and color match for my Longchamp. A little snug to put on, but that means it fits perfectly and doesn't slide around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.